came to the States with my 5 degrees, ready to work and cure cavities. I fixed jaws and bunkers in war-torn towns. Now I'm here, just shadowing clowns and they looked at my papers and blinked real slow. Said, do you even have dental school, bro? Or do you just tie string to a Jeep and yank? I said, no, I used anesthesia and a surgical tank. It was
bread and trauma, blood and bone, build smiles with scalpels, all on my own. But here they ask with a straight-faced tone,
did you pull teeth in a tent or on a throne? Do you even know what a rubber dam is, buddy? I've clamped bleeders in desert blitz, yet here I sit waiting for approval, while Chad fresh out of school gets full removal. I filled 1,000 molars in refugee camps, did grafts by candlelight with broken clamps, treated trauma cases with shrapnel stuck. Now they ask if I've ever shadowed in buck. I said maxillofacial's my domain. They said that's nice, please retrain. 2 years of school in Florida heat, and we'll let you maybe clean some teeth.
bread and trauma, bone and nerve. I've given more care than most deserve, but now I need a license here.
So I take a selfie with a plastic ear. They ask for proof I can speak English. I taught in 3 languages, is that not distinguished? But still I sit through a TOEFL class while grading essays that make me cry, laugh, peta. I've stitched up lips with trembling hands, resected tumors with no real scans. But here I must wait, jump rope in flames with folks who think bicuspids are baby names.
Bread and trauma, I'll play the game, though my skills could put half the board to shame. Let 'em test me, let 'em stall.
I'll pass it all, then crown 'em all. So next time you ask if I tie with thread, remember I rebuild jaws, the living and the dead. I've earned these hands, I've paid in sweat. Now give me my license, or better yet, a jet.